Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching us. Thank you for subscribing. We've been growing pretty fast thanks to you guys. Let's grow that channel together. Today guys, we're working on that Mercedes ML right here, W163, and we'll show you how to remove and replace those things right here. Window switches, central locking switch, rear defroster you can see, and the mirror switch as well. The whole assembly comes together. So stay with us guys. We're going to go ahead, show you how to take it off, how to take everything apart, and we're gonna go install this one that we have from a parts car. So we need to open the lid for the console here. We need to remove that little storage compartment. Okay, and now on the bottom guys we have two screws. So just we'll need to remove those two screws with a Phillips screwdriver, guys. Not very complicated procedure at all. You see what else we need to do to get to the switches. We have many videos about that Mercedes on our channel and many more to come. Make sure you check it out. Okay, this one is out now. So what we're gonna do now, we're just going to pull it out. Okay, we have a cable here that somebody put an aftermarket cable for the phone. Okay, so you have everything out of there now. What you need to do, you need to remove that plastic trim. You need to get a prying tool and pry it up. Okay, and it comes out like that. You need to remove a rubber seal if you have there. And now we have a couple clips here. Okay, so we're going to pry like that. And then this is the switch, but what we will need to do, we will need to go in neutral now. Okay, so we can pull it out like that. Let me get the key out. And now guys, that's where the switch is. And we need to remove, here we actually installed screws in the past because the clips broke. And there is a place where you can install 4 screws, and that way the switches will be staying in place. But originally some do not have those. Okay, working on the second one now, and then we'll need to go ahead and remove all the wires, pull this one out and pull the wires. Okay, you see each one of them, and we have one more here. Okay, this one is stuck a little bit. Okay, came out. Okay guys, now this is the switch. It still has some clips holding, but okay, right here, and 2 in the back as well. So that's how you guys remove it. You get the replacement one. All you have to do, install it, push it in until it clicks. We're going to install our screws here because otherwise if you press the buttons too hard, those clips break and the buttons will go inside the console. Alright guys, we connected all the wires. Now we're going to install it in place. Okay, put it in park now and pull the key out so it's not beeping all the time. We need to press down. Okay, you can see everything locks. We need to install that little trim piece for the shifter right here. Okay, let's get the rubber piece in first. Okay, now this one right here. This one just snaps. Okay, like that. And all we gotta do is install that piece here. Okay, that pin and the 2 screws. So that will be the whole procedure guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.